Hi, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set margins on the Google Docs website. So, of course, first of all you need to do is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So, of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So, once you open your browser, you'll have to go to this URL section and just type Google Docs and hit the enter button. Now, you would like to go to the first link and click on it. Make sure to avoid any ad or advertisement links, and that should take you into this page. Of course, from here you'll have to click at sign in to log in into your account if you have one. But if you don't have an account, you'll have just to click here at sign up for free to create an account. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, that will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account, and this will be even pretty simple and fast. So once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here at this homepage or this main screen of the Google Docs website. And here you will be able to start a new blank document or just choose some of their provided templates here, which is totally free. Or you can just go here and choose some or start with some recent documents if you have some, which I'm going to do here. And I already have it empty. So of course we can start with that. Here you'll be able to start setting your margins. Of course you can set your margins by the blue icon here, and you can actually set your margins from the right and the left from here, and from the top and the bottom from here. So of course, if you want to do it other way, you can just go here to file and of course go to page setup, and here you'll find this margins. You can just go here and do whatever you want with this margin, change it to whatever you would like to, and of course you can even change the paper size if you want. And once you finish, hit the OK button and the changes should apply into your page. So I guess that will be it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.